Earlier this week, I had done a live stream about the Hemovesper satellite. So, Hemovesper meaning blood evening satellite. Now, remember, Vespa means wasp because there's the other one, the Dark Hornet satellite, and then it eventually got mistranslated to be Vesper, meaning evening. So yeah, we got the Hemovesper satellite, flies above Earth in orbit, monitors what happens. This is one of its drones. Now, earlier I had said, in that earlier stream, I had said that I originally got this kind of shape from an origami little thingamabob that I made. So that was one of my childhood, I guess, fascinations. I like to fold things. But anyway, let's actually get started and I can show you how to make one. So we'll start with a normal 8.5 inch by 11 inch paper, just like standard printer paper. So we're going to go ahead and fold that in half. Okay, so now that we have this, it's gonna make it look a little bit weird if we use both sides folded in half. So what I'm actually gonna do is take some scissors. Now you might say that's not true origami because I'm cutting the paper, but it's still similar. So we got this roughly in half, 4.25 inches by 11 inches. So now we can actually get started. So we're going to start by doing this, folding this corner over till it reaches the other side, and it should form kind of like a triangle right there. Then we're going to unfold that and actually do that again, but in the opposite direction, still on the same end of the rectangle. Okay, so now we have this, we can prepare it into an origami, what's called a water bomb base. So you're going to want to fold those more like this. I'm trying to get it on camera, so I'll actually be able to see what I'm doing. And then kind of pinch that to a little point there. Let's see, looks like this. Then we're actually going to do that same thing on the other side of the paper. So if you just give me a moment, we'll repeat that again. You fold it from both corners, making sure that the corner you're actually grabbing, that little tab, aligns with the side of the rectangle. And then now we will take this, kind of fold it, do that same motion. So now we have this. This is going to be the base of our spacecraft. So we'll take this end, fold it in till it's at the middle. So right here there's going to be a line that should align with this. And then same thing here on the other side. We're going to take this tab, fold it in, and then that will make it look almost like two little arrows. So we're almost done, but then what you're going to want to do is fold this inwards, and then you, likewise with the other one on this side, you're going to want to take it and fold it inwards like this. Now you are going to want to try and make it line up at this corner, just because that will make it look more of a clean build. Then you'll fold this over, giving us access to this little panel. Then this you're going to want to fold in. So once you do that, and then you fold this back, then it should be lined up. It should be about the same angle. Same thing on this side. We're going to grab this part, fold it in, And then, yeah, so now I have this. Then we'll take this top part, and you'll notice there's these two kind of little holes. Then these will actually slot into place. And yeah, then you can kind of push it forward. And boom, you've got your own little spaceship. So this thing flies around, it's like, but this doesn't really look like a Hemovesper satellite yet, or a satellite drone yet. So this is like, I would say this is most analogous to the baseline form of just like the origami spaceship that I made when I was a kid. But then what we can actually do is we can unfold it, and you're going to want to fold it in half this way, just kind of crease it. Then push down on the top while folding this part inwards. And then it will kind of crease. Now it should mostly line up with this area, like the flat part of here should be the hinge point. And then you're going to notice that there are also, this part touches the wings. That's about where you're going to want it. But then you take this, fold it to the side, and then likewise here, you take this tab, fold it a little bit to the side some more. Now they might not line up perfectly, the two different wings, so it's kind of like you have to do it a couple times to refine the craft, refine the craft because it's like a spacecraft. But here we go. You can see this thing flies around like maybe it can shoot like a laser. But yeah, that is the original inspiration for the shape of the Hemovesper Satellite Drone. So you can kind of see some similarity, like the ion clouds would be there, arm coming out the back, maybe some spikes emerging from this kind of area. Other than that, thank you for watching and have a great day.